Okay guys, I'm making a video today on old style dashboard heater control. Now the reason I'm making this video is because I had a bit of a trouble last summer, after many summers, going, what's going on, and I realised the joke was on myself. I have an air conditioner put in an old style car with a control knob under the dashboard for the heater, and I was still hot in the front of the car when I had the air conditioner on, and I realized later what it was. So let me walk you through the problem and the solution. Now, under your dashboard you have your dashboard heater control with the dashboard bracket attached to the dashboard here, and you've got a knob. On your dashboard control. Let's draw it like that, and it comes down through here, through your dashboard control. There'll be a nut on this side and a nut on this side. On this side you'll have a sheath around your cable and the cable will go out through the firewall into the heater control box. And the heater control box, let's abbreviate it as being looking like the heater control box, and there's a movement inside the heater control box when let's just display it like that. That's the space inside your heater control. On your pipes outside you've got your heater pipes and your water pipes and everything coming into your car, and let's say this is the off and this is hot. Right? Now, I was running the car with a knob against the nut as off, but it wasn't. It was somewhere here, letting my heater to bring some heat into the car. So the real solution is, when you push this in and it gets to this point, it should actually be touching off, and you have this space in between. You have this space in between as your guarantee that this is off, because you pushed it into, and it stops on that line because it's hit this wall at the end. Right? So when you think about putting it into your car, try and leave a space between the back of your handle and the nut to give you the space so it definitely hits the wall and it's off. And the other trick, of course, is you don't really want to, when you pull it out there, you really don't want to slam this into the end of your heater every single time. So why not, when you're putting the cable and on the outside in the engine bay, if the sheath of your cable, and you've got the cable coming through, if the sheath stopped there, so when you pull it in this direction and you've got this knob on the end it's attached to your heater control, let's say it goes up to the heater control, when this gets to this line, the end of the sheath will block this going any further, and it won't physically smack onto the end of the heater control. So you got, well, safety that end, and you've got a definite connection with that end. So that's a food for thought when you're next adjusting your heater control under your dashboard, using the sheath to do the work of stopping this from going too far and making sure you've left a gap in here so this definitely gets to this point and doesn't let the heater on of any kind when you're running the air conditioner on a hot day. Alright, bye.